Hello guys, hope you are doing well. I want to welcome you all in this video series that is Aircraft Explained ATA wise, and in this video I am going to explain ATA07, that is soaring and lifting. So before starting the video, we need to understand what is soaring and what is lifting. Soaring means supporting the aircraft or its components like wings or the fuselage while doing the major maintenance or modification so that the load on the aircraft structure can be reduced. Because whenever we are doing any major maintenance or modification, there are a lot of equipments, there are a lot of components on the aircraft that can damage or that can cause a stress on the structure. For this reason, we will support the structure of the aircraft like you can see in the figure so that we can reduce the load on the aircraft structure. The second one is lifting of the aircraft. Lifting means to making the aircraft above the ground with the help of jacks. Why it is needed? We all know that whenever aircraft is on the ground, all the load of the aircraft will always be on the landing gears of the aircraft. So if you have some maintenance, if you have some modification, or if you have some operational check of landing gear itself, you need to make the aircraft above the ground so that we can check the landing gears. Okay. For this reason, we need jacks, and that is also called jacking of the aircraft. Jacking of the aircraft means we will use some hydraulic power to lift the aircraft above the ground. Lifting can be of two types. It can be partial lifting or it can be full lifting. What does that it mean? Partial lifting means if you have some work or maintenance on a particular section of the aircraft and you need to lift that particular section only, then we will use an axle jacks to lift the particular section. Like for example, whenever you are doing wheel change of the aircraft. So for wheel change, you are not going to lift whole aircraft because it is time taking, it is not maintenance friendly, it is not cost friendly also. So we will only lift the particular section with the help of axle jacks, as you can see in the figure. And after lifting, we can remove the wheel and we will install a new wheel and it is ready to fly. Okay, but some test or major maintenance are there, like swing test. Swing test means we are going to check that the landing gear extension and retraction is working properly or not. In that case, it is not possible that you will you will lift one landing gear and check and then you will lift the second landing gear and check, because it is a function of the aircraft that both the landing gear and the nose landing gear will always be extended and retracted together. For this reason, we will lift whole aircraft inside the hangar. For this, we will use very big and very heavy tripod jacks so that we can lift whole aircraft together. According to the manufacturer, the number of jacks and location of jacks can be different. As you also know that we will only use the jacks for an specified location by the manufacturer. We are not going to use the jacks anywhere we want. We will always use the jacks where the jacking pads are provided by the manufacturers. Okay, generally it will be one under the nose, two will be under the wings, and sometimes when the aircraft is bigger, you will also have a fourth jack on the rear of the fuselage so that it can avoid dipping of the nose. Okay, so if you have major modification or major maintenance, then we will use the full lifting of the aircraft. It is very necessary whenever you are doing a lifting or soaring of the aircraft that the aircraft will always be lifted together. Like if you are lifting the aircraft and the nose jack is extended more than the rear ones, then the aircraft structure can have fatigue, can have damage, it will have lot of stress that will cause a cost effect to the company or anything else also. Okay. So it is very necessary whenever you are doing the jacking or lifting of the aircraft, always be cautious, always follow the aircraft maintenance manual instructions so that you can avoid the further damages. Okay, so while lifting, we will always check for the leveling. Leveling means you have to lift the aircraft together, not separately. Okay, so this is lifting and this is soaring, that is ATA07 basic idea. Okay, if you find the video is helpful, you can hit the like, you can subscribe it, or you can share with your friends so that everyone can get the benefits. Thank you.